Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my weekly real estate market update. Hope you're having a great day today. So this week in the news, the value of the Australian property market has now risen back to previous levels seen last year, June last year. The property market in Australia exceeded $10 trillion, and we've just hit that again. So we are actually seeing property price growth rebound across Australia, particularly in some of those southern markets, but also here in our local markets in Queensland. So Brisbane has seen a gain this year to date by 4.7%. Now Sydney has seen a gain in property values this year of 7.8%. So we're going to see a lot of those people selling down there. It's a lot more active from what I hear down in those southern markets. And we'll see some of those people still looking to make that lifestyle change up here to the Sunshine Coast, move up here, and that'll add more competition to the property market up here as well, which means we're only 4.6% being back up to those peak levels. So it looks like we've now hit the bottom of the market, and now the market has started to rise again, which a lot of the major banks didn't predict this. They were predicting bigger falls than this. However, they've all changed their attitudes in recent weeks, and as I reported last week, they're saying now that it's going to have some substantial growth in the Australian property market this year, and going into next year as well, because a lot of the economists are forecasting that cash rate is now sitting at 4.1%. And if you check out this week's news article, you'll see some figures in there from those major banks suggesting when that cash rate will start to ease back. So a lot of the forecasts suggesting that we will see a cash rate easement as early as March next year. Now, if we see that happen, I think that's going to create more competition in the marketplace as well. So down 9.1%, back up 4.9%. We're coming back to peak levels. And as Michael Yardney said from Michael Yardney Property Update, he believes that now we've seen the bottom and we are coming back up to peak levels, and we will surpass peak levels in property values very soon here in Australia. So very interesting news there, guys. Good news for some, not so good news for others, as I said before. What's driving this growth really is the significant shortage of properties available for sale across Australia. So we are still seeing property shortages down 23% across a 5-year average. So there is a lot less properties available for sale. And it's a bit of a mixed market, to be honest. And I think a lot of the people that I'm speaking to are feeling this as well, because on one hand, we're seeing these properties listed for sale, selling very quickly with multiple offers. On other hands, we're seeing some properties coming to the market not getting the love or the attention they need and sitting on the market for a bit longer before they potentially get a successful sale or decide to pull their property from the market and make other plans. So that is certainly what we're experiencing in the marketplace here as well at Martin C Property Group. Some interesting insights there provided by Matusik this week as well. Check it out in this week's blog, guys, martinc.com.au. It is some interesting stats about the housing trends in Australia at the moment. So it seems that there's a lot more people moving towards units and I guess higher density living arrangements compared to detached housings. And there's a lot of growth actually at the moment too, fairly significant growth by 410% since 2016 in backyard housing as well. So interesting insights there by not Michael Yardney, by Matusik. So check that out, guys, in this week's blog, martinc.com.au. Anything we can help you with, buying, renting, selling, give us a call. We'd love to help, and I hope you have a good day.